In this video, I'm going to be going over and answering the question, does Bluehost accept Bitcoin as a form of payment when signing up with them? By the end of this video, you will know whether or not Bluehost accepts Bitcoin as a payment method. I'll also be providing you with a Bluehost discount so you can save some money on your Bluehost domain name and web hosting purchase. You'll get up to 67% off Bluehost hosting plus a free domain name. To take advantage of the Bluehost discount, just click the link in the description below. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you'll get an awesome Bluehost discount. Let's get started with the Bluehost Bitcoin video. So does Bluehost accept Bitcoin as a form of payment? Bluehost does not accept Bitcoin as a form of payment. If you are wanting to make a payment via Bitcoin for your web hosting purchase, a popular web hosting company that I recommend that does accept Bitcoin as a form of payment is Hostinger. I provide a link to Hostinger below with a promo code so you can save some money if you decide to go with them and make your payment via Bitcoin. Hostinger has over 29 million users worldwide and offers a 30-day money-back guarantee. At the Hostinger checkout, under the Select Payment section, choose the Coin Payments option to pay via Bitcoin. At the bottom, when you click the Submit Secure Payment button, you can then input the information for the Bitcoin payment. I hope this Bluehost Bitcoin video helped you answer the question of whether Bluehost accepts Bitcoin as a form of payment. If you haven't already, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more hosting video tutorials. Leave us a comment, we love hearing from you.